Hello, dear 8th class students. How are you all? Hope you all good, safe, and healthy at your home. I'm your computer teacher, Shifa Monga from California Public Schools. So, student, in the last week, we discussed some common application, entertainment apps, some social networking apps. So, our today's topic is how you can download and install an app from Google Play Store. So, let's go for this. I'm just going to show you the practical of this topic. So let's go. So students, let's start that how you can download and install an app. So you have to open the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store you have to, so this is your search box. It's search for application. So you have to type the name of the application that you want to install in your system, or you want to store in your smartphone. Suppose I just want to application, suppose I just want to download Candy Crush. It's a game everybody knows, Candy Crush. And after typing the name, you have to just go for a search, because I'm offline right now. So let's continue with my Wi-Fi. So of course let's retry option. So जैसे ही मेरा नेट ऑन हुआ, it shows me all the Candy Crush options, and suppose this one I want to install. To install, you have to press the install button. Now it's actually start downloading. So this is about to finish. Okay, so now it's installed in your system. After this, after installing, you will get a open option, and you have to just open it. So this is how you can download any type of application. Okay, so this is how you can download any kind of application you want. So after this, so our next topic is developing your own app. So if you want, you can develop your own app according to your needs. So looking at the different application available at the Play Store is an amazing experience. So many different applications for various uses like games, education, office work, social networking, and many more may give you the impression that it is very difficult to make your own application. So there are several sites which allow you to make your own application in a very short time. So what are the requirements? So what they are trying to say कि आप अपनी application भी design कर सकते हो. You can make your own app, that I will tell you. So here we will discuss about Android applications. So these are the Android applications, WhatsApp, Candy Crush, your Snapchat, all these are Android applications. So but developing application for other platform will have similar requirements, although there are many companies which claim that one can develop Android application without any prior knowledge of programming, but a sound background in programming will always be very helpful. Since Android was built using Java, a good grasp of this language is essential. Also, most of the API, its application programming interface, uses Java, hence it is very important to know Java to make the Android application software, such as Android software development kit is required. So आपको एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन बनाने के लिए आपको इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि यू मस्ट नो जावा लैंग्वेज. जावा के बिना इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट कि आप अपनी एक एप्लीकेशन जनरेट कर सके, अपनी एक एप्लीकेशन डिज़ाइन कर सके. आई विल टेल यू, आई विल टीच यू दैट हाउ यू कैन मेक योर ओन एप्लीकेशन. बट वो जो एप्लीकेशन होगी विदाउट जावा इट डजेंट मेक एनी सेंस. वो एप्लीकेशन होगी बट दैट एप्लीकेशन आर स्टैंड अलोन एप्लीकेशन. मतलब आप उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकोगे बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव अ बैकग्राउंड ऑफ योर जावा. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू डिज़ाइन योर ओन एप्लीकेशन यू मस्ट नो जावा. जावा आपको आनी चाहिए. सो देयर आर सो मैनी सॉफ्टवेयर्स that we need to make an Android application. For that we must know SDK. It's the software development kit. It is a part of your Java language. XML, it's an extensible markup language. HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet may also be needed for designing an application. एप्लीकेशन डिज़ाइन करना इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. आप कर सकते हो डिज़ाइन, लेकिन उस चीज़ को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए यू मस्ट हैव सम एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज. एंड हु प्रोवाइड यू दैट एक्स्ट्रा knowledge? That Java provides you that application, that extra knowledge. So it is possible to develop a simple application without prior knowledge of a programming. The answer is yes. Many companies offer their services for developing or allowing you to build your own application. Some of these applications or companies offer free services which be limited usefulness, while other offer premium services but for a fee. So there are two ways to develop an application. Number one is an Android application can be developed using web-based app development software. Some of the website which offer app builders are HTTP, APPS. So these are the some of the companies जो आपको app development करने में help करती हैं. These are the websites of दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनीज. सो आज मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि आप स्मार्टफोन से कैसे कर सकते हो. सो हम कंप्यूटर पे भी कर सकते हैं इन आवर पीसी, दैट हाउ यू will design your own application. But the thing is, most of the students do not have a computer or a laptop at their home, but smartphone everybody have. सबके पास है स्मार्टफोन. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट हाउ यू कैन डिज़ाइन योर ओन एप्लीकेशन with the help of your smartphone and Play Store. But the thing is, this all these things and I'm just going to tell you is a different. यहाँ पे जो लिखा है और जो मैं आपको बताऊँगी it's a different thing because it is the application of your computer, and the thing which I'm going to teach you it's a application of mobile phone or a smartphone. But yes, one मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ आपको डिज़ाइन करना आ जाएगा एप्लीकेशन, अ स्मॉल एप्लीकेशन विदाउट जावा, विदाउट एनी एप्लीकेशन नॉलेज, विदाउट एनी प्रायर नॉलेज ऑफ योर प्रोग्रामिंग. यू विल लर्न दैट हाउ टू मेक एन एप्लीकेशन. क्लियर? सो ये स्टेप्स हमारे ज़्यादा काम नहीं आएंगे बिकॉज दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनल कंप्यूटर designing website. So let's go. So open a Play Store and you have to find a app builder and install. So after install you have to press open button and the AppyPie application is available to make your own applications. After this it's sign in because I am already a member of this application. तो sign in. If you are a new one तो आप कहाँ क्लिक करोगे? create one, because I have a account, so let me write my email ID. Okay, after mention the necessary information, click on the login button. Hurry up. Okay, so after this you have to click on this plus option. Let Snappy the assistant create an application for you. Press start now. So there is a chat between you and AppyPie. So let's create chat. The AppyPie asking you, please provide your business or app name by writing below. Okay, I'm just going to make an educational app. Okay, so great name. Please provide your application category. Now you have to find category. You have to tell business, photography, information and health. Let's go for information. So select features. So ये जो already active है, these are the selected features. You can also select according to your need, but I will choose, मुझे यही 4 चाहिए, तो next. So yes, I'll go with suggested features. Please select design style. Okay, matrix, slide out, bottom, list, diamond, fixed matrix, many more are there. So I think we should go for slide out. Provide your application icon by tapping on the following. For gallery images, we recommend size within 5 MB. Okay, apply icons. Okay, icons you have to choose because यहाँ हमने icon लिए. So let's have some. Okay. Provide your application background by tapping on the option. So apply. So okay, I'll just go for this background, suggested background. Okay, start building. सब select हो गया है. Now it's time to start building. So don't worry, it wouldn't take more than 3 minutes. That means we have to wait for 3 minutes. It's okay. So after the 3 minutes execution, this will display. So test your app. Okay. Okay, now there is an application, we have to install it as well. Okay. So your a.apk file is downloaded now. So open it. If you download doesn't start automatically, please click here. So we have to open this application. Okay, so install. So because this is your educational app, and just look at the icon, shake hand of 2 person. आपने यही चूज किया था. So the icon of your app is this. Okay, now your app is installed. So get ready to open it. Open. So this is your background. If you remember, we have chosen this background. So after this, you will see your app, educational app is here. So click on it. So this is your educational app. Clear? But the thing is, this is the interface of your app. This is not your proper app. If you want to operate it, आप इसमें चाहते हो कि कुछ features add करूँ, कुछ install करूँ, we want to add some information. For that reason, you must know our programming language. Either it is a Java, either it is a PHP, either it is a ASP.NET. तो कुछ भी लैंग्वेज आपको पता होनी चाहिए. सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ एन इंटरफेस. दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन एप्लीकेशन, बट सम एडिशनल सम टेक्निकल नॉलेज यू मस्ट नो. इससे आगे का करने के लिए यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट इट, हाउ टू यूज़ इट, एंड फॉर दैट ही रीज़न आपको जावा, C++, ASP.NET, PHP, more there are many more languages, computer languages are there. आपको किसी एक की भी नॉलेज है, आप इसको बहुत अच्छे से आगे रन कर सकते हो. सो इतना ही हम डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं विदाउट having a knowledge of programming. One more thing, students, I will teach you that how to make an application जो कि आपकी बुक पे mention है step by step. But the thing is, I don't have a laptop right now. My laptop has gone for service. As soon as I get it, I will definitely teach you कि आप PC पे भी कैसे कर सकते हो. But this is the easiest way to make an application in a smartphones. That is why I just did it for you, because मुझे पता है कि most of the students have only smartphones at their home. सबके पास कंप्यूटर्स नहीं है, बट इट डजेंट मैटर. कंप्यूटर वाला भी मैं आपको शो करवाऊँगी, बट फॉर दैट रीज़न as soon as I get my laptop, I will definitely teach you that how you can do it. So class, this is all about today's period, and we have finished your chapter 7 app development reading. So thank you so much. Till then, take care, bye, and have a good day.